I don't have any lash glue and I've just literally placed the lashes on top of my eyes like that. So we're gonna completely ignore when my lashes just fall off randomly when I'm talking to you guys, okay? We're gonna ignore that shit. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? So in today's video, my voice is so shrill. No, I've lost my voice or something. I need water. Mummy! Okay. But my khana is guys. One of the reasons I do not want to move out of my house. Who wants to leave mom, dude? My stomach is finally full and I feel so... In today's video, I have a few Indian skincare brands that I wanted to talk to you guys about. I've seen quite a few of these videos going around on the internet, like Vocal for Local and Pure Desi and Hindustani and 100% made in India and all of that, and I was like, dude, even I have a few brands to share with you guys. So today's video is going to be totally just that. I think I might be a little late on this one, but you know, better late than never. I do have a few skincare brands that I thought I should be sharing with you guys, and also a few products out of each of these brands that are tried and tested by me, and I think they really work well on me. So if you guys are really excited to know more about these brands, then stay tuned, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new. Also, hi, I'm Simi. I hope you guys are enjoying so far, and that's it. Without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. The first brand that I'm going to be talking about is a brand that actually makes you feel a little less worthy every time you go reach that product. It is YBP. Pretty sure a lot of you guys already know about Payal Thakkar, who's the owner of this brand. She has put in so much love and thought and so much PR and dedication behind each and every product that every time I use the product, I feel like, dude, I'm not worthy enough to touch this product, you know? I actually feel like they're not for use. You're supposed to like take Ashirwad from it and just, you know. But jokes apart, the products are really amazing. My mom loves the face remedy, the plant remedy, I'm sorry. She loves it. This is the second bottle. I don't know, I keep empty bottles to just show you guys that I really love the product. You guys have to like really buy it just for the fragrance because it is out of this world. I'm not even kidding. It is very sharp. It's beautiful. It's nothing like anything that I've ever smelled before. To be honest, I've not really come across any skincare brand that is so dedicated as YBP, and they actually do put in a lot of thought and like a lot of research into creating each and every product. Not only that, they are very conscious about the environment. These are all cruelty free, vegan, recycled, and a lot of other things, which is like, I really love how the brand actually stands for a lot of things. And every time I spend money or I buy the product, I feel really happy because I know the money has gone into a good brand which has values and ethics and is actually good. With that, moving on to the next brand, which is one of my current favorite skincare brands. It is the Dot & Key skincare. This is one brand that I would actually categorize into advanced skincare products. It's got vitamin C products, it's got I think salicylic based products, it's got hydro peels and everything. So in case if you are aware of how to use these products according to your skin type and everything, so this is one brand that has almost everything that you would require in that area. Only drawback about this brand, which actually I recently found out and it actually shook me to the core, was that the packaging is a complete ripoff of a Korean brand, and that just like, oh, no! I was like, dude, ye kya ho raha hai? Ye mazak ho raha hai yahan pe? Ye mazak chal raha hai. And just the other day, I was taking so much pride in saying that, you know, this is one brand which has such amazing packaging and everything, and I don't really know if the products are also like a dupe of the Korean brand, or the products are original. Like, I don't know, dude. Like, I mean, you guys can definitely check out the brand. The products are really amazing. They actually work. And it's just packaging wise, I really want them to come up with something of their own and not really, you know, that's just unethical, to be honest. You can call this brand to be a dupe of the Korean brand, but I don't really want an Indian brand, like such a good brand, to be known as a dupe for some other foreign brand. That's just, come on, dude, we can do better. For the next brand, which according to me is very underrated, I really love a lot of their products. I used to use this brand a lot when I just started out because it's so budget friendly. In fact, it's very affordable. But as and when I, you know, sort of grew, I started experimenting and trying out a lot of different brands and a lot of different products, and I somehow just left this brand behind. But if you're a teenager, if you're tight on a budget, and if you want to try out like, you know, a few skincare products, then do check out the Biotique Advanced Ayurveda. Okay, that's the full name. Biotique Advanced. Tell you the best part about this brand, okay? It says this is not a cosmetic product. It has therapeutic properties. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Therapeutic properties for just 199 rupees. I mean, shut up and take my money, okay? They have a lot of different variants in the same brand, so you guys can check out the products according to your skin type and your skin concern. But this is not the brand that I would place in like in advanced skincare category. This is your regular skincare, like your, you know, your normal physical exfoliators and your tan removals and your face washes and toners and stuff like that. Apart from the toners, I feel like all the other products in this brand are really nice. I got to know that the toners have alcohol in them. In fact, pretty late actually, very recently I got to know that the toners have alcohol in them, which can dry your skin out, so stay away from the toners. But apart from that, you guys can try out the other products from this brand. Okay, moving on to the next brand, which is again very similar to Biotique. It is the Everyuth Naturals. I think I've spoken about this brand quite a bit on my page because they do have really nice affordable products. I have the tan removal scrub right here. This is the chocolate and cherry tan removal scrub. The granules of this physical exfoliator are very tiny. They're not abrasive on your skin at all. This one product in particular is very nice. So if you're looking for a physical exfoliator, you could either go for the Biotique one or this one. Moving on to the next brand, which actually I came across last year. Yeah, last year. It is the Ilana Organics. Now this brand again has some really yummy skincare products, especially the clarifying mask, which has charcoal and seaweed. I always compare this mask with the Glam Glow Super Mud clearing treatment. This one, I always compare it with this one. This is actually meant to clear your acne and stuff. And even this one, this actually comes in a powder form, so you can either mix it with milk or you could mix it with water, depending on what's your current situation on your skin. So if your skin is like very dry, you could maybe mix it with a little bit of milk. Apart from this, they also have some serums and some facial oils and stuff, which are actually very good. I did try them before, but then as I said, like, you know, I sort of lose track of products, you guys. Like, it's very difficult to keep a track of everything that's coming my way, right? But Ilana Cosmetics, again another Indian brand that you can check out. The next brand, now I've been trying this brand out for a while now, but I'm keeping a little silent on this brand because it's a skincare brand, and again it's like meant to treat your skin and everything. So I just wanted to give this brand a proper try, like, you know, just give it like a month before I give you guys my review. But I think it's been about 15-20 days since I've been trying out one product religiously, which is the Retinoid and Rosehip Power Emulsion. Okay, the brand is Dr. Shades. This is one product that I've been trying out every day, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but the product is about to get over. Like, I think it's just gonna last me 3 or 4 days maximum. It's here that this brand is made specially for Indian skin. So according to the brand, Indian skin actually behaves differently because of the weather, because of, you know, our skin type and the genetics and everything, because we've got melanin and, you know, we live close to the equator and everything, so our skin actually behaves differently, and so we require different sort of skincare products. This brand actually formulates their products according to Indian skin. Another product that I'm trying out from this brand is the Haldi and Hyaluronic Acid Sleeping Mask. I don't use this every night or every week. I just use it on the days when I've sort of over exfoliated my skin or sort of overwashed my skin and my skin has become really dry, you know, on the days when I'm wearing extra makeup like this. And that is when, after I'm done with my routine, I apply the Hyaluronic Acid Sleeping Mask, because hyaluronic acid actually helps in retaining water in your skin and just, you know, maintaining the moisture and your skin barrier. There are quite a few products from this brand that I want to try further and then give you guys a proper review, but you know, overall this is another brand which you guys can try. Okay, moving on to the last and final brand for today, which is the Episoft. That's it, it says Episoft. Okay, I have the moisturizer. This is the AC moisturizer with sunscreen. It had an SPF of 30, which was just perfect, and now I have to call for the second tube because I'm out of this, and I'm trying out a few other brands, but you know, somehow jam nahi raha hai kuch, like, you know, maza nahi aa raha hai. I need to call for this again because until I find something that actually feels good on my skin, I do not want an unnecessarily like slap products on my face. This brand is not a cosmetic brand like your other skincare brands. Okay, this is like a brand that your dermat will actually recommend you. They do have a few products here and there, but they don't really have like a wide range of skincare products within this brand. They have like a face wash and I think a few more moisturizers here and there. That's it for now. These are some of the products and brands that are tried and tested by me me, and they're all 100% desi and made in India. Do give them a try. Most of these brands and products, I think I've spoken like multiple times, more than 1,000 times on my channel, so they are very much tried and tested by me. And apart from this, in case if you have any more brands or anything else that you want me to try, do let me know. But that is it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I will see you next time. Bye.